loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well, and if you're new, it's Maricel here, and welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe, that means a lot to me, and hit the bell notification so you will be updated when I have a new upload. So today I'm going to show you how to make a ginataang bamboo shoot. So I think it's in Tagalog, it's labong, or in Visayan, I am not really sure. But today we are gonna be using the one in a can, so it's ready to make. The fresh one, all you have to do is boil it, I think, and then clean and squeeze them with salt. But you can also research how to make it. So it's been a while that I haven't made this, and I've been craving to cook it. So if you wanna see my version, come and cook with me. Alright, love, so here are the ingredients. So of course we do need the bamboo shoots, which is the labong. We also need a corn. So I use white corn. You can also use yellow corn if you want to. Minced garlic, minced onion, ginger, salt and pepper to taste. Salt depending on your taste. So we also need the coconut milk. Spinach, if you have saluyot, you can use that as well. So I'll be using a squash on this dish, but squash, the kalabasa is optional. And I'll be using a Knorr cubes. I'll be using a pork, but that's also optional. So it's just to add on a flavor as well. So what else I'm forgetting? I think that's it, and let's get cooking. So I preheated the pan already. I forgot to mention, of course, we need oil. I use vegetable oil. So we put about, let's see, almost 2 tablespoons. So we can now add on our coconut milk. We have to let this simmer, cook for a few minutes before we add our, what is it called? Our bamboo shoots. Alright guys, so I let it cook and simmer for about 7 minutes. And I am going to put now the labong, the bamboo shoots. I may have to add coconut milk later, we'll see. I'm not really sure because I'm contemplating if I should add coconut milk or water, because I want, there's a little liquid in it, like a soupy look like. I'm not really sure. And I've changed my mind. I am going to add a fish sauce, patis. You can even put shrimp paste on this dish, by the way, mga loves. So it's up to you. It's depending on your preference. So now I am going to put that pork cubes. Pork cubes, if you wanna, omit that, right, go ahead. You don't need to put a Knorr cubes if you don't want. And then right now, I'll go ahead put some fish sauce. That's only 2 teaspoons. And then I am going to put also a pepper. I want a lot of pepper. So that's almost 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And then let's wait this to cook for about probably between 8 to 10 minutes before we add on the rest of our ingredients. So it's been 8 minutes. We can now go ahead add our white corn. Again, you can use yellow corn. I just happen I have white corn available. So I am going to let this simmer and cook for another few minutes before I add the squash and the shrimp. Before I add the salt, I'm gonna taste this first, since we put the fish sauce already and also the Knorr cubes. Alright guys, so 10 minutes is up, but I stir it once, just once. Yep, it's getting good. Let me taste it first before I add on this kalabasa, the squash. Yeah, we definitely need some salt. Again, depending on your taste, it's up to you. I am going to put like about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, okay? And now, let's add on our squash. And then I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of hot water. And then I'm gonna let this cook for 5 minutes before we add on the shrimp. And now you don't need to wait longer for the shrimp because you don't want it overcooked, otherwise it's gonna get rubbery. Alright, let's put the lid on and let it cook for a few minutes. Alright guys, I only cooked the shrimp about 4 minutes. You don't need to overcook that. So now it's time to add our spinach. Again, you can also use saluyot. I don't know guys, I don't have the leaves. What is English in saluyot? Comment down below, what is it? So this only gonna take a minute or two. I'm just gonna turn off the heat. And our ginataang labong with shrimp is gonna be ready. Alright loves, it's taste time. Here it is. I'm gonna have some squash. Let's try the shrimp. It's perfectly cooked. It is so yummy. This is really good with rice. Yeah, I have rice here. I hope you're gonna try this at home. I don't remember when was the last time I made this. It's been a long time ago. So I hope you learn and like this video today and you will try this at home. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye love. Bye. Mwah.